In primetime news this evening, telecommunication companies to be held accountable for poor service. Education Ministry reporting a 43% decline in teacher resignation. And renewed concerns that transnational organized crime is cutting into business competitiveness in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here. It's Wednesday, so Chizzy.
Yes, Janella, we're having mixed movements at the pumps tomorrow. I'll tell you about that. Plus, Fosrich is set to raise up to $139 million. Those and more in the business day.
And as I understand it, there is some so good news in sports this evening. Jermaine Brown has details.
Oh, thank you, RG. Guess what? The West Indies. They won the match today at the World Cup qualifiers. And oh man, we'll tell you how they did it a bit later on.
That's a big deal though. And that is a big deal. And still on sports, I know we have Romain coming up, but it's the eve of the national trials. Romain, what can we expect from Thursday to Sunday?
Hopefully not so much heat, I would say.
Yeah.
The heat is still on. We are expecting drier conditions as well. So we're expecting temperatures to be hovering anywhere above 34 in terms of the high temperatures across Kingston for the remainder of this week and into next week.
I love the way he just said, yeah, the heat is still on. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the revelation by the Education Minister of a 43% decline in teacher resignations in the public sector?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
And stay with us. The Primetime News returns after this break.